Magandang araw mga boxing fans at welcome back sa Boxing Bell TV. Hiyawan ng mga manonood sa tindi ng body shot ng Pinoy.
Left to the body shot.
Wow! Oh wow! The pain, I could see it on Chan Salas' face.
Wow.
Oh my.
Halos mayanig ang katawan ng kalaban kapag tumama ang suntok nitong boksingero natin.
A good combination, upper hook, but Carlo Bacaro comes up double.
Oh, that left to the body shot.
Halos mamilipit at hirap makabangon ng kalaban sa tindi ng sakit na naramdaman nito sa kamao ni Kabayan.
Sala down to the canvas.
Ito ang latest fight ngayong taong 2026 mga bossing. Pagpupursige, pagtsatsaga at tapang ang pinakita ng ating kababayan sa laban na ito. Thailand versus Philippines. Bakbakan ng laban na ito at parehas mga bigatin sa kanilang dibisyon. Si Kabayang Carlo Bacaro ang pinili upang harapin ang Thailander na ito dahil maskulado na bagay sa katawan nitong ating boksingero. Ang ating kababayan dito ay nakasuot na white trunks with black gold gloves at ang paboritong boksingero ng Thailand ay nakasuot na gold trunks with white gloves.
Three trunks, just so generated
Chan Sala is very big. No,
advantage.
I think this is a 6-round affair.
Again,
Wow.
along with our sponsors Venom. Their shots in round one.
In one punch. 154 super. Well,
We're literally at the edge of our seats.
yes.
You know how much power they hold.
Fighters are still trying to sense each other, but some of the heavy blows on this initial round.
He's testing the body early. He's trying to plant those seeds of a couple of decent shots on his
And
own.
if I'm not mistaken, Chan Sala, weight 150 million. We are your commentator for this fight, or should I say for this promotion. Kulit.
A good combination, upper hook, but Carlo Bacaro comes up double the number of punches.
Oh wow, nice exchange for both fighters. Super welterweight matchup between
Pagtunog ng bell para sa ikalawang round, agresibong umatake itong Thai fighter, subalit napapaatras ito sa bigat ng suntok ni Kabayan.
Sala. Chan Sala pushes Carlo to the corner. Carlo comes back with a 1-2 and a body.
boxer. He would not push if the opening was not there.
Yeah, for sure. And he actually has with a, like you said, it's more into volume. On the other hand, very defensively responsible. Yes, that Carlos jabs are getting through the guard.
I like what I am seeing. If it's gonna give
It's good investment too,
Chan Sala did connect some good
he said Chan Sala's physique is really scary.
muscles,
Of course. And Carlo Bacaro is no different. I mean, Carlo is very nice and sweet in person, but like inside the ring, he's a different beast altogether.
Something
Bobby and they're all smiles and just showing respect. Carlo Bacaro with those double body shots.
That's right, Chan Sala is a great Thailand. Bacaro is one person that I know. Thailand versus Philippines, we have,
Goes way back.
Yeah.
Land the right of his own.
now Chan Sala versus Carlo Bacaro. It's like testing your own self, You want to keep some, I throw some,
Now Carlo gives back the favor, landing his own body shots, some hooks up top, and a thudding body shot.
for this fight because Chan Sala is not
List, while Chan Sala is number 2 in Thailand. that high because both Philippines and Thailand have a lot of good.
Great warriors, you know, just trying to get that W for this fight.
Good angling out. Chansala.
Early in minute 3 of this scheduled 6-round fight in a super welterweight division. Wow!
Answers with another uppercut. And a body shot. Oh, chopping.
Wow! And the round number
Dito sa ika-4 na round, makikita na ang mga solid punches ni Kabayan sa bodega nitong kalaban.
style. Correct style of Saber.
Moving at an moving towards angles. So that's why you see him right there. Able to turn the table. Another body shot. Combo from Carlo.
Stamina works. The gloves of Jansa.
It's in that no one runs.
Yeah.
They just like stay in the pass.
10 seconds left.
Oh, something's not right with the body language of Gonzalez. Number 2 in Thailand. Oh wow, the snap of punches is still there for Carlo. The quick uppercut for Oh, that was a beautiful finding his traction.
Left Jansa. Wala Bacaro.
Chansala moves forward with those overhands.
The big
Got fixed. 50 seconds left in this round.
fights given to us by Verano Promotion, Boxing Club.
A bit of angles, you know, every time he punches, he moves out.
Dito na hindi natiis ng kalaban ang malalakas na body shot nitong si Carlo Bacaro. Kitang-kita na talaga nasaktan nito sa suntok ng ating boksingero. Namimilipit sa sakit at hirap makahinga.
Seconds left. Oh, that left to the body
shot! Wow! I could see it in Chansala's face.
Wow.
Oh my, it's such a devastating body shot. Oh wow. But the heart
Sayang lang at tumulog na ang bell para sa pagtatapos ng ika-5 round.
of a fighter that Chansala has.
And what a respect for Carlo
Of
Bacaro.
course, I mean,
So I want
yeah. It's 8 rounds. Chansala. Let's see if he was able to recover.
again that body attack by Carlo Bacaro.
Yeah, he sensed the blood in the water partner. Ouching so low.
It's time to cover up.
Yeah, because he doesn't want that side to hit.
Chansala.
It's well guarded. He shot by Chansala. Carlo answers with an uppercut. He can do a high guard. Just
that back.
another body shot. Another left hook by
Chansala could absorb with that
that shining potential inside him. Every fight, Carlo gets better. So super impressed. It was significant. The knockdown was significant, so he has to do more. Chopping right by Chansala, but Carlo just digs into the body.
This boy is tough, Chansala.
What?
This boy, Chansala, is tough as
Yeah. I mean, he has a fighter's
I
heart.
just wanna greet everybody time for a world
Mabuhay and kamusta kayong lahat?
of impact from our native home. I have the sense of when you are getting older, you get a little bit emotional. Of care for anything that's happening right around.
There you have it. Call it.
Fighters taper off a little bit
Yeah.
before Carlo Bacaro make that.
More like they were trying to reset the pace of your fight.
These two fighters are from the breadbasket.
Yeah, you're right, partner. I think They know that the body is really susceptible to shots. It's easy to chop a tree. What is that signal?
Stomach. Nice left jab for Jan Salas.
And I'm sensing Carlos really having fun here, you know. That's that relaxed body. Most dangerous men here in Southern Stadium. Eighth and final round.
Final round na ito mga bossing, at kita ang determinasyon sa ating kababayan. Pagpupursige at pagtsatsaga na may panalo ang laban pauwi sa ating bansa.
Jan Sala of Thailand. I am one of your commentator, Alvin.
We have 2 more fights to go after this. We have the co-main event of the main event. So
He's in the super welterweight category.
and defend his WBO Asia Pacific Youth Super Welterweight title against Sorry. Oh wow, beautiful. He's going with a jab. Here, he's still fighting.
Out of gears. And then he's not pushing the envelope if the opportunity is not there.
Amazing how Carlos just using that smart positioning to land those hooks, to land those uppercuts.
Quality punches for Bangaro.
And you can still feel the snap of the punches.
He's strong.
Oh wow, be able to counter. Oh, there you have it. But missed with that right hand.
His final round.
10 seconds left. Carlo egging him on. Any Chansala to commit. But Chansala hugs for, I think, survival. Oh wow. Oh wow.
Wow, great respect for the
Winner by unanimous decision from Verona.
Sa linis ng panalo ni Kabayan, walang dahilan ng mga hurado na baliktarin ang laban. Ano ang masasabi ninyo mga boss sa ipinamalas na lakas nitong si Carlo Bacaro?